YouTube, what's good YouTube? This is your boy Praise and that's good dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? Please guys, it's still in the morning. Don't mind my face. I know it's looking crusty, like your soulmate's face or a boyfriend or a girlfriend. So whoever you're dating, he or she looks like my face, but please don't mind it. So guys, today we want to discuss about something, a really serious issue. I usually don't do my sit down videos when I post. I don't bore, you understand? And also my energy, it doesn't match my videos like so. Ndina my videos in ndakasumuka ndichachpawa power nene, but yeah. So guys, today tautaura nezvenyaya kuti if you want to relocate to Zimbabwe, things that you need to consider or things zvaunofanira kuona, zvaunofanira kuziva usati warelocate kuZimbabwe, so that you won't be shocked kana wasvika kuno. Chekutanga, issue yekutanga, there is no jobs in Zimbabwe, hakuna mabasa. You should know that people that are suffering in Zimbabwe, they are not working. Things they are cheaper in Zimbabwe, but they are cheap if you are going to work. Guys, you need a content creator. Don't you ever come for me which tells you previous video which tells you in Zimbabwe is very nice and cheap, and then there's no jobs. Guys, you need a content creator, right? Content which is table bank. So I will deal according to according to attract my views. So today I'm saying don't come to Zimbabwe, stay wherever you are. It's very hard in Zimbabwe. If you don't have connections, if you don't have jobs, it's better to suffer if you are in South Africa. Because let's say you're in South Africa, run as my peace jobs, my in Zimbabwe, I can't give you $10, which is 200 rand. Here in Zimbabwe, but in South Africa it's just nothing, right? So if you don't have links, if you don't have my connections, today it marks 4 years since ndakapa angu CV kuti vachiponchakulingana nhasi havasati vandilinga. You understand? So malinks akadaro kana uchiti ndina mukoma wangu anosiyana kwakare, kana vasitorina link rakadzakwa, vane vasina link rakasimba, they will never link you. You remain suffering. At least in South Africa unyatsode malink as such kuzokuda kushanda kwako. So in Zimbabwe there's no jobs, there's lack of employment, people they are suffering because they're not going to work. Please, if you are coming to Zimbabwe, make sure you have a solid hustle. Mari wabata source of income, source of income nekamnechi. I mean, mari notangiswa business ichi. Yeah, une mari yakanyatsosimba kutangisa business. Uri kunoshanda pano pauri kunyatsoziva kuti pakanyatsononaka. Une link rawanyatsolinga, ndo chekutanga. Chechitatu, transport in Zimbabwe. Transport in Zimbabwe. Wakaenda kwawaenda, just know transport chakunetsa. Kana usina mari InDrive, and it's taking time for people to believe that InDrive really works. It's taking time for people to know what InDrive is. Not that it's taking time as such. InDrive is becoming very expensive to people because kuti one dollar kuti uise pa table is very expensive. It's very hard kuti one dollar kuisa pa table. So obviously don't saka mazupo or makombi kuti one kufamba, of which pane pakaita zigurumwandira zigurupu zibhabhabha revanhu rinotopinda mukombi imomo uko polisi kunetsa. So if you are coming to Zimbabwe and you want to flex and you want to slay, I would advise you to buy your own car. Chechi 2, if you are into business and you are looking up business in Zimbabwe, please try to invest in taxis or makombi. I'm not makombi. Tenga kombi yako. I think 15,000 you get a very nice kombi. You invest in kombi. I think cash 80 to 100 per day, and then you make a lot of money because there's lack of transport in Zimbabwe, right? Okay. In my business, I'm going to Zimbabwe here. Please do not try my business and chekuita nenyama. Andika, why ndiri kudaro? If you try my business and chekuita nenyama muZimbabwe, magesi ari kunesa. That's the problem. So unofanira kuziva Zimbabwe. So I would advise you to utenge masolars ako uchiri ku South Africa koroko. They are so cheap. Masolars even here in Zimbabwe. But I know this is not a paid advert. No one wants to do this one. They are kind of expensive without though. But vanhu vakatonge vavo even yo kutenga masolars ako South Africa and regulator in my booster batteries ako aya, because here in Zimbabwe like the previous days magetsi akaita 4 days kusina, nyama dzakaora mafiriji umu, vava nemvura dzakasvika pakushisha dziri mumafiriji umu, hapasina zvirimo, magetsi akaita 4 days. Kwasiyana nekuna South Africa kana magetsi achienda, you will be told kuti magetsi achienda musi wakati nenguva dzakati dzoka nguva dzakati. Manje kuno kuZimbabwe munotenda matona mavanga saTobias because haadzoke. Aminoti anodzoka nguva munozongoona adzoka, dzimwe dzenguva anongoya orara oenda. It's very weird and zviri strange kuti magetsi munoswera munawo asinomboenda. Munoshamisika kuti aswa nekuzesa ndo munotoona kuti koita era kuno makaswera mune magetsi. It's really strange. You understand? So you guys, you should know whether you're buying a generator or you're buying a solar systems. If you want to do any business, nenyama mukati nezvinora mukati uro nezvinozopisa mukati zvifanira kunge zvitonhora, make sure to invest in generator, because if you don't do that you're gonna run loss, right? The other problem you should know, magesi ari kunetsa. The other problem is network. Network is a very, very big problem in Zimbabwe. Especially if you are using Android, network is very hard in Zimbabwe. So make sure you invest in kutenga Wi-Fi or mazo lines ako machishichi and stuff. The other thing, road chaiyo. Unotenga munhu ari kufambira muzunde ramambo mumunda mugombo. Unotenga uri kufambira mumunda. Yes. You'll be like you're walking in the field. Maroads akashata kunge ma-X enyu. Try to live in nzvimbo dziri nani, that if you can afford, but if you can't afford, gara wagara kwauri ikoko. In my business advice andakakupei, if you are coming to Zimbabwe, ndataura nemakombi randika, and then ndataura futi business rechi business rekutengesa zvinhu zvakatonge chi what can you say, because I think business transport ndo business ratatoura nemusoro, and business farming, that if you have a farm, because vamwe venyu hamutorana kumusha kwako, kumusha kwacho, do business farming, do business rekuchengeta huku, broilers, and do business gas, business gas. If you really want to invest in gas, unoita mari, tenga matanks ako, build a nice structure rekuti vanhu, people they will come and stuff, and then also do business rekutengesa mvura, drill a borehole pamba pako, you can sell buckets of water, $5 jameno, but you can make a lot of money because people they need clean water. You understand? My business are too far away. The other thing that you should know before coming to Zimbabwe is mvura. There's no water in Zimbabwe. People they are buying, I think $5, 5 buckets, $1, I don't know. People they are buying water. There's no water in Zimbabwe, so make sure when you're coming to Zimbabwe, make sure you drill your bowl. Uchichera mvura yako yokunwa, because mvura inoita kana 20 days isipo. Tape inotoita ngura nekutoita zvimaspiderman zvaizvo zvekutoti inenge isazivikanwa kuvhurwa. So those are things that you should know in Zimbabwe. You should also know in Zimbabwe that they are really expensive. Maprices akati kwirei here in Zimbabwe. Zvasiyana nemazoripa kuti isu kwaidi kuSouth Africa icho kuchitenga R20 ndezvekuSouth Africa. Kana watoya kuZimbabwe uri kuZimbabwe, things are very expensive in Zimbabwe. Data is expensive, everything is expensive in Zimbabwe. I'm sure even vanokecha zvekuti wadhurira kwavari kana vajaira kukecha zvakachipo inhangu handiti izvo. But everything is just expensive in Zimbabwe. So if you know that Zimbabwe is very hard for you, please don't come, right? If you don't have links, please don't come. Just stay wherever you're staying there. But one thing, advantages of staying in Zimbabwe also is there's freedom. There is freedom in Zimbabwe. You can walk whatever time that you want to walk. No one will near you. In Zimbabwe, chakanakira muZimbabwe ndechekuti makanakira freedom munomu nekuti unofira nzara, unofanira nzara uri pamusha uri kumba kwenyu. And then when it comes to maslay queens nene, what you should know is that in Zimbabwe it's very hot here in Zimbabwe. Kwasiyana nekunana Chando, Kwamuri, what and stuff. It's very hot here in Zimbabwe. So I mean, another sunscreen. I'm gonna have to skin yangu. Skin yangu ndakatoenda salad, but look at what my skin look at what's happening to my skin now. It's very hot here in Zimbabwe. Kunopisa, you understand? So yeah, that's the other thing that you should know in Zimbabwe. With the weather is not nice and stuff. And then when it comes to health and the health care, what here in Zimbabwe, kuzvipatara there's no pills. Kana uri munhu anongorwara uri murwere uchizoti you need help ASAP as soon as possible. Kana whether it's pari or what asthma, nezvirwere zvakangodaro zvakatipoteredza, make sure that you don't come to Zimbabwe. That if kana chiafoda kwauri. Why? If you go to Zimbabwe, kana uchirwara unongozi tukupa maparasite. Maparasite hanzi achatowaniki. Maparasite acho hanzi achatowaniki. So I mean, unotonzi unotenga maparasite acho. If you go to clinics, there's big lines, and what can I say? You won't be able to ubatsirwe anytime. Vamwe vacho munhu kutozofira mumaline. So kana unhu akazvijaidza kuti my doctor, this and that, doctor wangu akazodai. So here in Zimbabwe, nyaya dzeutano dzakati dhakwei. What you need to know also, hakuna maambulance wakatongorwara uri kwauri koko. Kana une mwana udozodhota, gara wadhotsa mwana wako. Kana une mwana udozozvara, gara wazvarira mwana wako uchiri kwamuri ko, because here in Zimbabwe kuti uzowana ambulance tinofanira 911 kana maservice aitonga na firefighting, munongochiramo kana imba yatongotsva run with your life. You understand? zvimwe zvinhu zvinofanira kuziva muzimbabwe. And also dzimhosva kufonera polisi yemuzimbabwe kuti vakuidentify kuti muri papi, there's no locations. I mean like magps, dzimwe nzvimbo hadzitomborina magps, dzavafaniri kuno kwandiri gps ukatorequesta indrive unofanirwa kuzi kune chingura kwayatosvikira uko. Ndozvimwe zvinhu madisadvantages, you understand. Kwaita kana crime you can't call 911 police kuti iuye pape papo, muchingoona kuti moita sei. Kana kuti ungoponda mbavha motongoponda mbavha, kana kuti ungobirwa motongobirwa, kana kuti ungorepwa motongorepwa, you understand. So that's my other service ambazo kuti hakuna kuZimbabwe izvo zvakadaro. Mana network ndakudzai maservice atonge vayo. So yeah, it's a choice man. If you wanna come to Zimbabwe kuti ndouya here ndorega kuuya here zvakwauro kuseva kana kuita sei kana kusasiya. But advice that I can give you is it's better to suffer uri muZimbabwe than to suffer uri South Africa, because a lot of people they are suffering in South Africa. A lot of people they can't afford rent. A lot of people they are working on food for work. Vari kushandira tuma 3,000 rand vatambira timatwa vobhadhira rent. They, at the end of the day, they won't even have any man to send back home. They won't even have any man to invest. A lot of people that are depressed, a lot of people that are suffering out there. Please do come back to Zimbabwe. Go kumusha, go and start from zero. Kumusha tanga utorima munda uchitashese. If you are living as a farmer, it's very cheap, because why? You can get inputs for free, fertilizers, what, especially kana chirima forge kumusha kwedu daweni. You can go and register with companies, and then company inokupa forge maseeds emahara, inokupa ma-inputs emahara, inokupa mishonga emahara, ma-chemicals emahara, then you can start farming. You understand? Kana wazoita zvirimwa zvako, you can also go kunotengesera ivo, so that vanotora mari yavo yema-inputs awakakupa. It's like chikwereto chimbadzo, but you can really make money out of that. You can take money, you can take my-inputs kwavari, employ people, mushandira pamwe, do a lot of stuff. Just come back home if things are not nice for you. No one will laugh at you, no one cares about you. People that are doing progress in Zimbabwe, tsvaga malinki kana uri musangano kudyisa, tsvaga zvofamba nekupi. Kana vanhu vari kuzviri zvepolitics zvikuvadyisa, pindawo imomo ubvunze zvofamba sei. Don't just slay. Guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand. If you're enjoying this, I'll keep on giving more of this, and we keep on discussing my topics. Tell me down in the comment section. I will tell you and stuff and shit. I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand. Road to 10K baby. Let's get it. Dango.